Hello everyone, I am here to introduce our new application Via Vertex. Our application is more appealing, adaptable and user friendly. Even if you don't have a Demat account and if you are interested to watch the market moments, scripts, its events, option chain, company information, etc., which is now possible through our Via Vertex. First of all, you want to download and install Via Vertex application. If you already have a Demat account with Vertex, kindly log in here with the login button. If you don't have a Demat account with Vertex, kindly log in with your number. For example, I am logging with my mobile number here. And verify. OTP will come to your concerned mobile number. Type your OTP here. Verify. Then done. The next page will appear like this. You want to create your watch list here. I am typing Vertex. I created my watch list like Vertex. Then done. Now you want to add script here. I am adding axis. So here is a plus button here. You want to click on that plus button. Okay. Then done. If you already have a Demat account with Vertex Securities, kindly log in here. So enter your client ID here. This is my client ID. And if you don't know your password, go to forgot password. And OTP will come to your registered mobile number. Then enter the OTP there. And then verify it. Now you want to give our new password here. So the new password contains uppercase character, lowercase character, numbers and some special character. Okay, I am entering my password and confirm the password. Change password. Now successfully updated my password. Okay, now I am logging to my account. Give here my user ID. Here the password. And you can give your mobile number or PAN number or date of birth here. I am giving my mobile number here. This is for only first time. After that, when you are entering, this the application will ask MPIN only. Login here. So you want to create your watch list here. I am giving my watch list name as watch list number 1. Create. Then done. Okay, you want to add any script here. Reliance. Then here is a plus button. Press here. It will add to your watch list. Then give done. That is added to your watch list. If you want to add more scripts, we can add from here this add, or you can go here and here also you can add script from here, and here also there is a lens button on the downside. 3 ways are there. First one, here add. Here you can search axis. Click on this plus button, then done. Look, this Axis Bank is added to my watch list. Again from here also, we can create new watch list also from here. So now I am adding script here. That is DLF. Okay, then click plus button, then done. This is also added. Okay, Now we can check what are the things available in our watch list. From upside, don't miss. Click here. These are the recommendation given by Vertex Securities. You can simply buy or sell this recommended share from here only. Okay, now you can see an arrow nearby my watch list name. Once you click the arrow, you can see the available watch list. If you want to create more watch list, click Create Watch List button. You can create unlimited watch list with maximum 20 scripts. If you are holding any shares with Vertex, that will be available in My Holding watch list automatically. Now we can go to the normal watch list. We can check what are the things available. Here we can see the script name, and the left side the exchange and the script details, and the right side the last traded price and the today's change price, today's change percentage, and here the T represent you can trade the holding details also available in watch list. If holding scripts added in the watch list, below holding quantity, gain or loss price and gain or loss percentage will be appear. For example, Tata Motors. Holding quantity is 4. Today's gain is 576.20 and the percentage is 42.08. Now we will check the script details. If you click the script name, it will go to the script detail window. Here we can see all the details of this script. Here overview, events, recommendation, analysis, etc. In overview, we can see market depth and 52-week high, 52-week low, today's high and low, market pulse, etc. Then when we are going to events, here we can see the corporate action, today's news, announcements, etc. we can see here. Next is recommendation. If any recommendation is given for this script, it will show here. Then next is analysis. Here we can see technical analysis, fundamental analysis. Here a small chart is here. Here we can see support and resistance, moving averages, put call ratio, everything we can see from here. And next is future. We can see the available futures here. Next is option chain. We can see the put call options here and the company information. Here we can see all the details about this script. The company details, their book closure data, company information, about the management, everything we can see from this page. The particular script trading chart will be available on above sell button. Once you click, the chart window will open. You can zoom the same as you are comfortable. Top of the chart toolbar is available. First one is period. Once you click, you can see the period 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year historical charts and 1 minute to 4 hours intraday chart. Next, saved view. We can save it and view. Next one, chart styles. There is many styles: bar style, candle style, colored bar, line, vertex line, etc. You can select whatever you want. Next one, studies. There is more than 200 studies in our chart here. Okay, we can go back. Now we can check how to buy or sell. First one, buy. Here we want to select the exchange, NSE or BSE. The rate and quantity will available there. Next, select the product, that is intraday or delivery. If you want intraday, click intraday. If you want delivery, click there. Next, market what price? In market price or your price or in stop loss, trigger price. Now market price. The price will be available there automatically, 484.70. Now, how many? You can choose based on quantity or your wished amount. Quantity 1, the margin will calculate it automatically and appear downside. On the same way, amount, if you are giving the amount, the margin will calculate it automatically here. If you are refreshing, we can buy 2 quantity of Tata Motors with 1000 rupees. If you want to purchase the Tata Motors for your price, so we want to clear it and click your price. So we want to give our price. Now the rate is 484.25. So I want to buy it for 480. So I am putting the amount here and you want to type the quantity here. Typing 2. Okay. Then place order. Confirm order. Now we successfully purchased 2 shares of Tata Motors at 480 rupees. Now we can buy another share. Idea. Then buy the NSE, and now I am buying in delivery in market price. So I am typing here quantity. $100. So the required margin and available margin will appear here. So place order here. Confirm your order. My order placed and I bought 100 shares of Idea. Now we will check the order status. Downside, click orders. On this page, open order, completed order and all order. First one, open order. The pending orders will appear on this page. I put an order for Tata Motors at 480. It was pending. That's why it will be in open orders. Next one, completed order. Our executed order will appear on this page. I bought 100 Idea. This order executed. That's why it will shown in this page. Next one, all orders. This page will show the pending and executed orders. Next one, net position. This portion we can see our profit or loss amount, today's position and overall position. In the overall position side, we can see if we have futures or option, it will also appear in that side. Next, portfolio. This portion shows the current value of our holdings. My holding value is 5028. The profit or loss amount and its percentage. Your invested amount shown in the right side and the trading profit or loss. Next, we can see the recommendations. You can buy or sell from here also. Downside, these are my holding details. Max Health. Below the script, the quantity and average price. And the right side, today's profit or loss amount and its percentage. Last traded price and its percentage. Next, we can see net position, today's position and overall position we can see from this portion. If you have futures and options, then it will be also appear here. Now we will go to market section. The vital part of stock market is index. Look these indices, Nifty 50 and Sensex. Click view all. We can see 3 parts. My favorites, local and global. In local, all local market like Nifty MNC, Nifty Pharma, Nifty PSU Bank, Nifty Midcap, Nifty Bank, etc. If you click on the symbol, it will show in my favorite folder. So you can easily access. Next one, global market. Global market like Belgium, US, China, Singapore, Hong Kong, etc. are in this position. If you click on the symbol, it will automatically show in my favorite folder. Come back, downside, my screeners, top gainers, losers and upper circuit, lower circuit, 52-week high and low. Once we click that, you can see the details there. Top losers will appear here, top gainers will appear here. Again go back. Downside, view all news and announcement. Next, events. In this calendar you can see menu bar will be available on the left top. Click there. Once you click in your name, we can see your profile. And go back. Your available balance can be shown in fund. Click on funds. Here your available fund, utilized fund and deposit, margin utilized, withdrawn, profit and loss, everything can detailedly check from this portion. Downside there is recommendations and alerts. We can see our recommendation alerts there. The messages will be there. The calculator. Here we can see future fair value, option value, span margin. Once you go span margin, we can see the span margin here. Then go back, you can calculate from that. Go back. If you need any help, you can open this and check. The details will available on this page. Next one, reports. Here we can bid IPO, margin pledge, back office. Then go back. Here go to settings. You can change the theme. If you want a dark theme, you can select this as your comfort. If you want light theme, you can select that. Next one, order preference. You can select this, then it will be the default product type. Then go back. Here app notifications. Security settings are available. Fingerprint. Once you enable that, OTP will go. Enter the OTP and verify. Now the fingerprint enable. Next one, change MPIN and change password. If you want to change MPIN, go here, enter your old MPIN, enter new MPIN, confirm and change MPIN. Automatically it will change. Same like change your password also. Previous password you can enter, then new password, then confirm your password, then change password. Password will be also change. If you need to add fund, there are two ways. One, from on the top of the home page there is a plus button, and at the menu bar also there is an option. Click the plus button and enter your amount. For example 500 and click here, add fund. I am entering my UPID. Proceed and can continue. Please accept the collect request sent to your UP app. Then go to pay. After paying, the fund will be automatically come to our account. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it's useful for your trading. Have a great day.